Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to my channel. So today, me and my cousin are doing the one color food challenge. So let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so apparently my cousin's not doing it with me, so yeah. So first thing I got is I'm gonna make some blue things. I'm making mac and cheese. I'm gonna dye it. With some food dye, because it's supposed to be that color. Are you really? Oh shoot, this is red. Oh, but at least this is blue, so it doesn't really count. So I may invite my friend over if I can. Well, I'm grounded, so I can't basically. So, oh yeah, this is my outfit. I'm obviously in blue. So now I'm going to close this and shake it. I got red and blue today, so I got red, these. I got this and this. I got mayo, and I've got these little critters. So let's get started. So basically my cousin's not going to be doing this challenge with me. Which sucks, but it is what it is. These two are for dessert. For snack and for dessert. So I'm going to start making my sandwich. The mac and cheese should be done here pretty soon, so yeah. I literally just realized I can't put ketchup on it because it's not red. If I put red on it, or if I put blue on it, it's going to be green. So, that sucks. So, it's going to be so good, bro. It's processed meat, though, so it may not be as good as it's supposed to be, but anyway. Anyway, my dog's bugging. So yeah, this is part one, basically. I'm me doing this challenge. I hate mayo, but I have to eat it because it's blue. So yeah. Oh god, in my teeth. Okay. Anyway, I haven't brushed my teeth yet because I need to eat first. So. Hate mayo. Sorry for all the people who love mayo. I'm just not a big fan. I don't think this is good. Ew, it's gross. Mac and cheese is done, BRB. Alright, so I just mixed it up and now I have blue mac and cheese. And my sandwich is all ready. I have a red drink, but it's okay. I'm doing my cousin's for her. She is red, so. I'll see you back if you guys are done eating. I'll actually see you guys in part two.